calculate 3 over x plus 3 over x minus 2 minus 2 over 2x plus 1, and b, 4 over x plus 2 minus 3 over x plus 2 squared plus 2 over x 2x plus minus 1. So writing the first one out, what we need to do is make a common denominator. So the common denominator will be x times x minus 2, 2x plus 1. Now, because the 3 was already over the x, we've had to multiply the 3 by x minus 2, 2x plus 1. So let's just make those 3 denominators for us. So we've got 3, x minus 2, 2x plus 1. This 3 here has been multiplied by x and 2x plus 1. And the minus 2 here has been multiplied by x times x minus 2. Right, this is now a common denominator, so we'll just make them all the same. Expanding the top, so we get 3, expanding this you're going to get 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. So you should be able to expand that now. And then here we're going to get 2x squared plus x. And here we're going to get 2x squared minus 2x. Taking the 3's and the 2's in, 6x squared minus 9x minus 6, plus 6x squared plus 3x, and then we've got minus 2x squared plus 4x. Be careful with the minus sign. So collecting the like terms, so 6x plus 6x minus 2x squared is going to be 10x squared minus 9x plus 3x plus 4x is going to make 2x squared, because you've got 9x plus 7x minus 2x squared, and then you've got minus 6 on the end. You could take out 2 as a common factor, so we get a final answer of 2 brackets 5x squared minus x minus 3. So what we've done here is we've converted these fractions into a single fraction. When we do partial fractions, what we start with that, and we've got to get back to that. So we've got 4 over x plus 2 minus 3 over x plus 2 all squared plus 2 over 2x minus 1. This is part B. What this is known as a repeated linear factor. This one appears here, but it's repeated. So the common denominator will just be x plus 2 squared times 2x for all 3 things. Now the 4 has been multiplied by 1x plus 2 and a 2x minus 1. The 3 here has been multiplied by just 2x minus 1. It's already over x plus 2 squared. And the 2 here has been also got to be multiplied by 2x, x plus 2 squared, because it's already over 2x minus 1. So again, expanding the top, so expanding these 2 here, we get 2x squared plus 3x minus 2, multiplied by 4, minus 3 brackets 2x minus 1, plus, expanding this becomes x squared plus 4x plus 4. Taking into the 4, the minus 3 and 2 into the brackets, we're going to get 8x squared plus 12x minus 8, minus 6x plus 3, plus 2x squared plus 8x plus 8. Collecting together like terms, so we've got 8x plus 2x, which makes 10x squared, 8x squared and 2x squared makes 10x squared. And then we've got 12x minus 6x plus 8x, which makes 14x. And then we've got minus 8 plus 3 plus 8. So it's just going to leave plus 3 on the end. Again, so what we've done is shown that this can be written as this. And when we do partial fractions, we start with something like this. Can we get back to something like that? Okay, this has been a video to show you how to write partial fractions into a single fraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.